quality plays a major role in fertilization, embryo development, and implantation. While we cannot increase the number of eggs, we can definitely improve their function and efficiency. How does lifestyle affect egg quality? Your eggs take almost about 90 days to mature before ovulation. So the habits you follow over the next 3 months can directly influence the quality of your eggs. There are some factors that damage eggs, which include high stress, poor sleep, smoking, excess alcohol, uncontrolled diabetes or thyroid issues, sedentary lifestyles, inflammation and oxidative stress. However, the good news is most of these are reversible. You should follow a diet which is good for improving egg quality. A fertility friendly diet is essentially an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rich plan. These include antioxidant rich foods, those that protect eggs from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the main reasons for poor egg quality. Some of these foods are berries, pomegranate, dark green leafy vegetables, beetroot also is good, tomatoes are good, carrots are also antioxidant rich, purple cabbages, all these are good antioxidant foods. Healthy fats. Healthy fats support hormone production and follicle development. These include olive oil, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flaxseed, chia seeds, avocado, fatty fish like salmon or sardines. Also, you can include high quality protein, which are essential for egg structure and hormone balance. Eggs are good. Lentils, dals, beans, paneer, tofu are good. Lean chicken or fish can also be included. Complex carbohydrates can also be good. They help in maintaining insulin balance, which is also very crucial for ovulation. Millets are included in this: ragi, bajra, jowar, whole wheats, oats, sweet potatoes. But remember to hydrate yourself properly. Aim for 2 to 2.5 liters of water daily. Hydrated cells function better, including your eggs also. So foods that you should avoid are those that accelerate inflammation and hormonal imbalance, like deep fried foods, refined carbs like white bread, bakery items, sweets, processed foods and packaged snacks. Excess caffeine is also not good. Means more than 2 cups per day is not considered good for health. Alcohol, smoking, even a second-hand smoke, passive smoking is not good. Supplements that are good for egg quality should be taken under medical guidance, and they include CoQ10, which helps in improving mitochondrial energy inside the egg, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, folic acid, and antioxidant blends can also be useful. For women over 35 or with low AMH, CoQ10 is particularly helpful. Lifestyle changes also truly work. 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Deep sleep improves melatonin levels, an antioxidant that protects egg DNA. Exercise is also good. 30 to 45 minutes of moderate activity daily, brisk walking, yoga, strength training, because exercise improves insulin sensitivity, reduces stress hormones, and boosts blood circulation to the ovaries. Stress management is also good. Chronic stress affects ovulation and egg quality. Therefore, try meditation, try yoga, breathing exercises are good, journaling about your experiences, counseling also if needed. Reduce toxins, avoid plastics for food storage, minimize use of pesticides, and choose fresh over packaged foods. Even small habits make a difference. Egg quality is not fixed. It can improve with right diet and lifestyle in as little as 90 days. Consistent small changes in food, exercise, sleep, and stress levels can significantly enhance fertility outcomes. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.